victory, moment, stardom, and I am uploading an image of mine. So let's say my image is where? Let's say some image will be there. Okay, let's say this is my image. And now I have three options: World Cup glory, Bollywood glamour, and majestic wild animal. Create banner. Let's see. Detecting facial landmarks and all. Did I give you the prompt as well of the app? So this is only an animal here. It is not creating. So what I'll do is, and this will keep happening, don't worry. I see, and maybe I can do a start over and see with another picture. And if it also doesn't work, it won't work. Let's pick up this face and then a World Cup glory. Let's see what happens. I can already keep it ready. The my face is not cloning, is not showing my face. It is. Oh, look at that. So this person, okay, I better should have put it my image because I would love to have this image. So upload, and where is my image? Where is my image? Where is my image? My image. Okay, maybe this is my image and World Cup glory. Let's see. And by that time, let me also check what happened with the YouTube. Victory, moment, stardom, and I am uploading an image of mine. So let's say my to YouTube link. And here is I'm sharing on the WhatsApp group as well. New YouTube. Is it? So I'm sharing my screen and check this out. So here is my app. Oh wow. Download the banner. And here is I am with the Indian cricket team. Look at that. Good enough? I want to see your faces. I'm pretty sure a lot of you are smiling right now. Every one of us wants a face with the cricket team, right? All of you, please build your app. So try to build your first app. And now, this is just the first idea, but let me show you what are the possibilities, what kind of app you can make. Um, right. Um, so so what I did was, if I remember it right, what was the app? Okay, here it I already have. So imagine that you are here, and let's come back. There are so many tabs opened, and that's why I'm getting a little confused. Back to start. Um, so this is the app already created. Let me see what apps I that I am able to imagine things in drawings. So what I did was I thought, wow, let's take off A. What I did was I made an app in which you. I think my internet is fluctuating, folks. I think my internet is fluctuating. Let me open some doors. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? No, 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 I'm back. I'm back. Let's finish the app thing because after that I'll need handsome amount of time to teach you new thing. So, so I'm sharing my screen again and showing you. So this app, for example, so this app is basically, it turns ideas into metaphors. Now see what is happening here. So turn idea into metaphors in which you can give a text, voice, image, or your face to make a doodle out of it. So I am making here as let's say feeling feeling overloaded at work. So I'm feeling overloaded at work and now create stoodle. So my way of doodling is basically stoodling. I call it stoodling because it's storytelling doodle. And see, feeling overloaded at work will be made into a doodle style. All of you who are already in my master classes, tell me if this app is with you, will you feel happy or not? This saves so much of your thinking time. And all of this is, Zohra is already smiling because I know, Zohra, you were struggling with this in the mentorship, that Piyush, I am not able to think and all. I was keeping you in mind, Zohra, when I was developing this. So look at that. So this is basically a Stoodle generator app. Now imagine that you are a relationship consultant. You can create an app in which there is a situation. Maybe you can also develop comic stories for people. Let's say somebody is saying that, hey, my wife shouts at me or my husband shouts at me, and maybe your app creates a comic of it. Let me show you what are the possibilities here, because when you go on the when you go on this app front page or the home page, you will see what kind of apps it can be created. So imagine that, discover and remix app ideas. So look at that. So this is Alpha Qubit research paper imagined as an elegant interactive narrative style. So you can create, so browse on app gallery. Let me go on browse on app gallery. How many of you are able to create your own app with the prompt I gave you, by the way? Are you able to create your first prompt? I'll tell you how to deploy this app. Now, this app can also be run in the way where you are giving app the camera access, and this camera can detect your hand gestures. Can you imagine? So let's use this in which I am using my hand gestures. I don't know if this will give access to my camera because I'm already on Zoom, but I am pretty sure it will not give access to the camera because I'm already on Zoom. But see here, what are the ideas possible? So you are making a game app in which when you are in front of the camera and when you are closing your finger, it is detecting that your fingers are getting closed and then you are releasing the ball. Imagine you are a function called, you are a health coach, and let's say somebody asks you that I am a Jain and I want my menu to be in the Jain style, and you know what Jain foods are. You are creating an app out of it. So imagine, what, say this is a comic strip making app. So you put your picture, your family member's picture, and then a whole comic can be created. Similarly, this is an app in which you can create logos on different kind of products, and all this is just a prompt away. Let me make another app, very quick one for all of you, to just give you one more. And this, after this, you can all make your own apps. Wait a second. So again, I'm building an app. Let me refresh it. Let me stop my screen share and again share the YouTube link, because I think the YouTube link was not shared. Control. Sure. Okay, people will be seeing recordings. So all of you are lucky who are the first 100 ones. For all others, I'm a little sorry, um, but you will see the recordings. Okay, so I'm going here and now I'm describing the idea that what should be the idea. I want to develop, let's say, slangs, and this could be a little risky, but it's okay. I want to take risks with you. Okay, now we have a kid as well in the room, so let's make it safe. Um, 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 I'm making a what is that called? Different words for the same meaning. Make an app for, okay, idioms. I'm working for idioms. Make an app for idioms for different situations. So, for example, um, okay, from different situations, the user will prompt the situation, and the app will give at least 5 different idioms idioms for the situation. Um, give the idioms, for example, in English and Hindi as well. Cool. I think this could be a cool app for kids in which kids are learning idioms. Build an app. And this is a pretty simple one. I'm pretty sure it will be built in one go. Like last time we made in one go. After that, I'll be teaching you how to deploy this app for users, end users, because right now, if you share the link of this app, by the way, try this top menu, which is called as save a copy on the drive, download app, and then save to GitHub, deploy app, and then share app. When you click on share app and you share the link, people won't be able to open the link. You have to deploy the app. So let's see. Where is the preview version? So there is a preview. The codes are still being made. So all these things, you don't have to understand this. Let it do whatever it is doing. And once the app is done, it will already give you a front end. I want to see your pictures. How many of you are able to make this app thingy? Trust me, this is absolutely no code. No code. You all can do this in your own professions, whatever professions you are. For example, I already see Lavanya. Lavanya, maybe you want to create activities for maths class. So you want to make an app which has activities for maths class. Is my Zoom working or not? Can you hear me? My internet, folks. Yeah, I think my internet. Let me connect it with hotspot. Are you still there with me? I'm stopping my screen share and checking. Are you still there with me? Give us a break, yeah, while you fix. Crystal, just 5 minutes and then I promise I'll give you a break. I just want to show you this app and then we'll take a break. So this is an EDM master. The app has been made, and imagine someone being very lazy or achieving success after a long time. I think this is a good app. So someone achieving success, achieving success. Let's see. Let's see if it can give me some linguistic nice idioms from English and Hindi. Oh, look at that. So idiom one in Hindi, it says "Sabka din aata hai," which is absolutely bang on, and better late than never. So idiom two, idiom four. Oh, these are Hindi. Okay. Oh, sorry. So English is every dog has its day, and in Hindi version is "Sabka din aata hai." The idiom two is better late than never, and Hindi is "Der aaye durust aaye." Idiom two, good things come to those who wait to hit the jackpot. Slow and steady wins the race. Look at that. How damn apt this is. I want you to play with this app making, and let's come back in next, what, handsome 10 minutes. Let's take a 10-minute break. Right now it's already 3:45 here in India. By that time, create couple of apps, and then I'll tell you how to deploy these apps, which means this app will be up when you share it on Instagram, or when you can share it in everywhere, because right now it is not deployed. You have to deploy this app. Okay, let's take a break. Give me a quick thumbs up. Come back in 10 minutes, because after that we'll be deploying this app. But before that, at least put a prompt and make your own app, and do give me an write in the WhatsApp what app you are making, so that we all get ideas on what apps we can make. Okay, cool. Why all of you are looking angry? because my internet is fluctuating. You are angry. You are not happy. Smile, please. We all have errors, folks. We are a body made of errors. Smile. Okay, we meet in 10 minutes. Right. All those who have already made an app, try to take a screenshot of that app and again do the same activity on LinkedIn. Go on the comments and paste that. I'm doing it for myself as well, that we made an app during the masterclass. I really want the world to know that AI is that simple. You don't have an excuse now not to do AI. So I'm taking a screenshot here. So for example, I'm taking a screenshot of EDM master. And now I'm going on my LinkedIn and okay, so it cannot be pasted. So I have to save it first. EDM master. And now tell this world that you have the capacity to make an app now. So um, I'm uploading this picture. We made an app live during the masterclass. And I feel so happy, empowering 100 plus coaches and trainers with the power of making an app. Take a screenshot and put it. What is happening? Why? Okay, refresh. I have to refresh it. Are you sure you want to discard the comment? God. Okay, let me refresh it and do it again. I'm trying to again connect. Okay. So, so I'm pasting this and now I'm updating it as well. So comment gone. All of you, please comment. I want to see your apps here. I want to see which kind of app you have made. And we will restart in 1 minute. Put your apps, folks. Checking. Most recent. Nice. Thanks, Kameshwari, all of you. Okay, put your app, folks, on the LinkedIn comment. And I'm also quickly checking your WhatsApp messages. Okay. For those who are able to make your app, give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. I want at least 50% of you to be able to make app today. And if you are stuck, write in the comments, where are you stuck? How to activate the apps, I'll tell you. How to deploy and activate, I'll tell you how to deploy. Link not finding post URL. So um, try to post this kind of comment here in the LinkedIn post, which I'm sharing right now. 1 second. So Yeah, I've shared again. I have created and given a name, but don't get it now. How to deploy? Okay, so let's learn how to deploy this app. Are you all ready? Share your screenshots first. I need to see if you are able to make your app or not. Understand, folks, that you need to communicate with me. So Komal has built an app where user can put a word and will come to know the meaning of the word along with the visual of that word. Paradox. Oh, fantastic, Komal. This links to your phonics. Shublu has made an app. Shubkirti has made an app. Colosseum, something like that. So maybe an overview. The Colosseum is an okay. So basically a structure. What built an app to travel Rome with audio summaries of the. Oh wow, this is such a nice app. Audio summaries. All of you, are you imagining what kind of superpower you have got? So now imagine that if I launch this app and what if, let me see your faces first. Um, where is your face? Oh, here is your face. Okay, all of you open your cameras if possible. What if I tell you that now you can install, and you have to show me by your face expressions, folks, okay? I cannot see such dull faces. I know you are working, but still try to communicate with your face expressions. What if I tell you that you can have a payment gateway installed in front of this app, and now it is becoming your paying app? Do you think this will be a cool idea? In which probably you will run and so imagine the business model. You have made a Facebook ad or an Instagram ad saying that this is the fabulous, like for example, the app we just saw, Shubkirti made, which is like you are going to a place, upload a picture of that place, and then an audio will come explaining what is that place. It's a fabulous app for travelers. Imagine there is a payment gateway installed in which a person has to pay, let's say, $1 or a two to get the access of this app for 1 day. And you are doing a Facebook app, making an ad on Facebook, on LinkedIn, tracking people who are traveling. Just imagine what kind of automations are possible. People who are traveling, that means they are already interested in knowing about places. They will see your ad, they will come to your app, they will pay you $1 or a two, and that's how you have a running business model. And all by a click. Show me your face expression if you would want to have that. But we have a restriction of time, folks. I'm just giving you ideas of what are the possibilities. Before that, let's see if we can deploy this app. So I'm sharing this screen now. Listen to this very carefully, although this is not that tough, pretty easy. So now I have to deploy this app. Okay, so see what I'm doing here. Luckily I'm working on a very new browser, so I am as new as you. So now click on deploy. Once you will click on deploy, you will see that deploy app on Google Cloud. So what is deployment? Deployment means an app is basically you have made a house or a room. You have made a room or a house. Now it has to be made on a land, right? Now land will be somebody's land. Right now Google is giving you the opportunity to make it on a Google land. But whenever you make something on a land, everyone will charge you something. So Google will also charge you something, but right now Google is not charging, but you have to do these processes. So deploy app on Google Cloud and you will see no cloud project available. So now you will be creating a project. So let's say I'm creating a project, AI masterclass demo apps. Let's say this was my project, create project. Okay, so unable to create API key, we are unable to create, this is this, please product close. Create project. Let's see what happens. Please create a project in the Google Cloud Console. Something is wrong. Let me refresh it again. So I am refreshing it. Reload. Let me close these browsers. Unnecessary browsers. Uh, hmm. Page not found. Wow. So I'm going on AI Studio again. And maybe this was not stored or something. What happened? Let me check. So where are my apps? I don't see my apps here. Okay, I don't know what's wrong. So, but this app making was so simple that um, I can again make an app, but I should see the app. Where did it go? Okay, so maybe I'm making an app on make an app which gives um, opposite opposite meanings of a word. This should be very quick. And if it doesn't work, then I'll show you in the other way. Let's see if it works here. And probably I know why it is happening, but let's wait. So I'm again making an app because app making is as simple as texting. And again, I invite you all to spend some time and make a game kind of an app. It can easily be converted into a game. For example, the same Colosseum app, maybe you can add a GPS tracker. I'm not sure if it can add a GPS tracker or something, but see if ask ChatGPT that I am making an app for travelers who are visiting, let's say, different places. So antonymize something. So this. I am hoping that this app will work. Let's say dog flip word. What will be the flip of dog? I don't know. Okay, let this work. If I click on deploy app, no project, create a project. So I'm creating a project based on, let's say, AI masterclass demo, create project. We are unable to create a project for you. I don't know I'm clueless about this. I already have this system where app is being made, but somebody tell me, are you facing the same trouble as well when you're clicking on deploy? Sorry, but did not understand. Prince is saying yes. Suchitra is saying no. Okay, I'll show you what my existing console looks like. So for example, if this was an app which I have made, let me quickly make an app here as well. Make an app. So this is my other account. I don't know what is wrong with that account, which it is not able to make app, but let me see. Make an app which shows opposite meaning of a word. Let me see if this is also not working, then I have to search, but the root is this only, deploy app. And after deploy app, it will ask you to make an account and give your payment details there. But understand, the payment details, you should go ahead and give the payment details, but don't click on auto deduct, because it will give you in Indian rupees, it will give you 27,000 rupees of usage, and in euros it will give you 300 euros to be used for free. After that it will start charging, which means when you are making image, you through my app, you are consuming my points. Basically you are consuming from my 27,000, and after that it will be chargeable. But that's why I'm saying add a payment gateway to this, so that the users will pay you, and of course then you don't mind paying to Google as well. Now this app is made. If I go on deploy apps, let's see what happens. So my app is already made on fun apps, and my Google project is already made. So if I go on deploy apps, you will see that this app will be deployed, and I'll be able to share a link with you. Let's see. So deploying on Cloud Run, but I wanted to show you how to do, but I don't know what's wrong with that account. So look at that. So open in Google Cloud. Now this has become a shareable link, which I'm sharing it with you right now. So if I open this link here, you will see that now this is an open link which I'm